Okay, so it is the 4th of January, 2019. Hey, look at that. I got the year and the month right. I get a prize. We're going to actually draw this in a top, front, right side. And that's actually how you start out in mechanical drawing, is you start by drawing real objects in top, front, right side. So to make this easier on us, and because we can, I'm going to take some pictures of what this thing looks like from the top. Let's get a better contrast under that. Good God, this desk is a mess.
What kind of tea are you drinking?
It was raspberry zinger. So there's our top. And then let's take a front. Some of you will end up in this. And then let's get the right side, and I'm just going to turn it 90 to do that. So in essence, what we're doing is, like I said, we're kind of exploding this thing out into 3 angles. So I'm going to shrink this. So our top, so go ahead and try constructing a top, front, right side based on those pictures, and then I'll construct it and we'll compare notes. Okay, so how many of you for the top view, are you done or do you need a little bit more time? I'll shut up for a second. You have something that looks like that for your top view? Why do I have that inner circle? Because the base of the cup is a different size than the outer rim of the cup. What does the handle look like from the top? It just looks like a little line sticking out. And there's no way for us to distinguish in that top view that it curves back in or how it curves, because every single point on the lower part of the handle is hidden along the line of the upper part. If it wasn't, if it got narrower, we could do that. But that's, now obviously this is a pretty shoddy mechanical drawing. I'm hearing Mr. Becker's voice in my head going, "You can do better than that, good Lord! You ever draw a circle?" Sorry, Mr. Becker. He was a little bit harsh, but I learned a lot from him. So I'm going to draw the front view, and you can compare. Okay, so pardoning the terribleness of my lines, I can't find my best stylus. The things I want you to notice, this lines up with that. This lines up with that, because the width of that inner circle that I'm showing on the top view is in fact the width of the base. So this, and I just eyeballed this, yeah, okay, well that doesn't line up, but, and I think actually that's closer to reality than the one I drew on the bottom is. That should line up with that. Those things all line up because what you're supposed to be showing is really an exploded view of the thing. I'm going to fix that. Like that. Okay, and now the next view, the right side view, is going to be the one where I actually have a hidden thing. So what is my hidden thing in that right side view? The handle. You can't see the handle. Actually, let's see, would I be so... Yeah, so when I was doing drafting, it was all paper, pencil. You don't get graph paper. So let's see. Okay. It's pretty bad. Mr. Becker would probably give me a C on that, and that's even before I screw up the lettering. But that's a top, front, right side view. And you do have the advantage, honestly. Now, remember, you're supposed to have your blueprint plan before you build your device. So it's not going to be a perfect top, front, right side. And I'm going to mention, just because I'm spying over a few shoulders, this is straight in a right side view. It's not three-dimensional. Each of your pictures on the top, front, right side are a two-dimensional picture. They are absolutely not three-dimensional. It's expanding a three-dimensional object out into a two-dimensional one. So that's a minor point, but one that I feel like I should email Mr. Becker and say, hey, guess what? You got mentioned in physics today. Questions, comments on this? Oh, what I was going to say is the advantage you've got when you do your as-built drawings, you could literally take your device, take a picture, draw on the picture, and erase the picture. Look at that. Now, you can't do that for your preliminary plan because you don't have a device yet when you're doing those blueprints. But for your as-built, boy, your as-built are a cinch if you do them on Doceri. Take a picture from the top, take a picture from the front, take a picture from the right side, trace all the outlines of the picture, and of course you have to add your hidden stuff, and then delete the pictures. I would totally do that. And that's not cheating. I think that's a reasonable use of the technology you've got. Okay, questions on top, front, right side view? Okay. I just wanted to make sure we spent a little bit more time on that.